Riegil here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be share with you how to do drunk blush, and may nagawa na din akong drunk blush noon, but today it's going to be an updated drunk blush. So yeah guys, already did my brows off cam para mas focus tayo sa drunk blush. The first thing to do is of course the base. Ang ginagamit kong concealer is this Riegil Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. So next is magtitint tayo, lip and cheek tint, and this is the Divas lip and cheek tint in the shade Sangria. This is how it looks like. So siya yung gagamitin ko for my blush. Set my face. So, ang ginagamit kong pang-set or setting powder is this Maybelline New York Clear Smooth All-in-One in the shade 04 Honey. So, ginagamit ko siya to set my under eyes. Next is optional lang na mag-highlight, but gagawa ko siya para mas lalong maganda yung kakalabasan ng pagka-drunk blush. Like, super natural lang tingnan. Is this Diva Lip and Cheek Tint in a shade Caramel. Yung kanina sa cheeks ko, ginamit ko yung shade na Sangria. And dito sa lips ko, gamitin ko tong Caramel. And nilagay ko lang siya sa dito sa loob lang.